trumpet leaf. Gummy bear fruit. What kind of flower is this? Just out there in the wild. This is a huge cashew nut tree. It's flowering right now, need a fruiting, but yep. This is a baby cashew nut plant growing under the tree. There are plenty of them. And now we are finally by the river. Nope. Look at that by the river. Huh? Red bananas. Yes, do. Ice cream bean. A big ice cream bean tree. We're going to get some ice cream beans. So you can see that one? That's the one we're trying to pick right now. It's the one I want. So I got him. This is an ice cream bean. It's right here. See the fruits. So this is what it looks like. Ice cream bean. Want it?